I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs the latest iOS and that your Apple Card is active in Wallet. Tap Wallet, select Apple Card, then choose the physical card holder option if needed, and follow on-screen prompts to verify identity. Once done, enable Face ID or Touch ID for quick authentication and confirm your billing and shipping addresses so transactions match. These steps let you use the holder immediately and securely. They also prevent declines and speed up contactless payments. You now fit the Apple Card into the holder by first wiping both surfaces to remove dust that can block contacts. Slide the card edge first into the holder pocket and push until it sits firmly. You should feel a slight resistance when it's fully seated. Make sure the chip and NFC side are aligned with the holder opening if you plan to tap to pay, because alignment affects read reliability. Once aligned, test with a low-value purchase to confirm the card reads every time. You finish by using the holder daily and periodically checking the card fit to prevent bending or scuffs. When paying, present the holder naturally to the terminal, and if a tap fails, remove the card and try the terminal again. This isolates holder versus terminal issues. Make sure to keep iOS updated and reset the card if reads become flaky. If problems persist, contact Apple Card support. Resolving authorization or replacement is faster when you've already.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.